Hey everyone, thanks for coming back. I do appreciate you very much. What I have today again is some more things from the auction, and these are the cards that said it was from TV and movies from the 1970s. Battlestar Galactica, Superman, Charlie's Angels, Ghostbusters, Happy Days, Sgt Pepper Beatles, which I don't know that I saw, and Jaws 2. Unless he knows something I don't know, because maybe that is Yep, says Sgt Peppers. Okay. See there? Learned something new today. Alright, well, let's go through these real quick and give you an idea of what I got and what I was thinking when I did these. This one is for Ghostbusters. Pretty cool. This is Superman. And it seems like, I guess back in the day, they were collecting items because they are numbered. This one says DC Comics, trademark and copyright, DC Comics 1978. And, yeah, looks like it might be different Supermen, though. Not the same. So pretty cool, though. Old Clark Kent, Superman. And what I remember, I don't know what cards it was that I had back in those days, but if I remember correctly, you got a couple cards and you got a flat, kind of big piece of bubble gum. And, you put it in your mouth, kind of roll it up to get it all in there. And what was interesting about the cards were on the back, yep, there were puzzle pieces. Now, those are informational cards, but a lot of them were puzzle pieces, and then you'd lay them out and get your puzzle together. That's when life was simple. There were no iPads, and you played outside, and there were no video games and such. So you had to make fun the best way you could without electronics. Here we go. Happy Days. Old Richie Cunningham. And what about the Fonz? He was the coolest dude we all knew. Way to go, Fonz. Yep. Oh, Mr. Cunningham. So sweet. So sweet. Oh, Mrs. Cunningham. Oh, yep. Looks like they're having an evening out there. Alright. Same thing. Are these numbered? I'm not seeing where these have numbers on them. Oh, yeah, they do. They're numbered on the puzzle piece. So, I don't know if the puzzle piece... Let's see. That says a 29 and a 30. Nope, they don't go together. So, but anyway, so there's Happy Days and Charlie's Angels. I remember watching them and thinking about how beautiful they were, how tough they were, and that old Charlie in the background. We all knew that voice, but you never saw that face. It was an interesting twist in those days. I actually saw Kate Jackson in an airport one time in Atlanta, and she had gotten off the plane, and I'm not kidding you, the men, whoom, instantly surrounded her, to try to get their pictures taken with her. And she literally had to say, guys, I got to go, I'm going to miss my plane, and took off running. I kind of felt bad for her, but I guess that's part of being a celebrity. But she was just as beautiful in person as she was on the TV show. And these have puzzle pieces on the back, too. So, yep, old Charlie's Angels. Kind of slide through these a little bit for you. My thinking when I got these cards, again, I didn't pay very much for them. I think maybe $7. Is that they would be fun, in a pocket of a journal, a little surprise, or even something in a card that you give to somebody if there's a, like here. A job well done. You want to congratulate somebody. That's a cute card to put on there. Spotting a crime. I don't know if we'd use that one or not. Ready to nab a creep. Jill caught by surprise. One pretty angel. Now, wouldn't that be cute in somebody's birthday card? Anyway, that's Charlie's Angels. Here we go. Jaws 2. There's not many of them. They look like they were puzzle pieces too. But Jaws 2. And then Battlestar Galactica. Now, I know that's Lauren Green, but I don't know much about Battlestar Galactica. I've never really been a science fiction person. Nothing against it. just never quite always understood. Thought the effects were neat. You know, the costumes and all were neat. But, I don't know. Science fiction's just never really been my thing. And then the last one here in the middle, and like I said, that does say Sgt Peppers. Anyway, that looks like one, yep, that's Maurice Gibb. And that looks like, is that Peter Frampton, I would say? And there's Billy Preston. Lord have mercy, those Bee Gees. That darn Barry Gibb. I know he was older than me, but he was one tall, fine drink of water. Oh, I have danced many times to their music, and still when it comes on my Sirius radio, man, oh man, it makes me smile every single time. There's some clowns. Earth, Wind and Fire. Now, I boogied to plenty of their songs, too, back in the day. I could probably still bust a move if I had to, if their music came on. Oh, goody, and I got 2 of those cards. Alrighty, and I guess that's more Sgt Peppers, and I know there's Barry in the middle again, with someone named D.B. Brockhurst. Anyway, those are the cards that I got from the auction. Like I said, didn't pay much. Think I'll have some fun with them, you know, sharing them and everything, and putting them out there as a little surprise for people. Now, I do want to make you this offer. If you see something in here that you collect or you just have to have, reach out to me. You know, we'll work something out. Again, I'm not trying to make a living on this. I'm just trying to have a little bit of fun. I like seeing this stuff. I'd forgotten about these. And when I saw them, I was like, I have to get them. I have to see if they're like the ones I had. But they were. But I don't remember which ones I had in the front. It was probably Charlie's Angels. But anyway, like I said, just let me know. I don't mind sharing. You know, it'll be first come, first serve, however. We'll work something out. But anyway, thanks for coming back to my channel, and I do appreciate it. And please, tell your friends, you know, she's got some funky stuff up there, people. But it's fun to me, and I hope you enjoy it. And I hope I do surprise you with the things that I post from time to time. Give you something to think about. Have a little flashback. I know there's a lot of youngsters out there now. It's like, why is she so excited about those cards? Well, back in the day, they were the happening thing. So anyway, thanks for coming by, and I do appreciate you very much for doing so. And I will see you all on the flip side. Bye.